Righto, we're recording now. Come round in a circle, guys, up against here. So what are we doing? Class 1B. Some good looking guys here. Alright guys, all I'm going to do is show you to do setting out using 3-4-5 method. Got a piece of timber, we've got a carpenter's rule, tape measure and a pencil. Okay, to start I'm going to work off a set mark from there and we're going to measure out. What's the first measurement, guys? Tom?
3.
We're going to work out, we'll go what? We're going to do 3, 4, 5. We're just going to do 400. Okay, so mark 400. Mark it with the pencil. So there and there is 400. So that distance is 400 mil. From there to there. Alright, what's the next measurement, guys?
3.
Dennis? 300, good man. So how are we going to do that? I'll put 300.
You do an arc.
Do an arc. Very good, Tom. So up here, arc it at 300. Saxon? What's the next one? You're digging it, aren't you? You love it. Saxon, what's the next one?
Measure from your mark down.
How much? 500, good man.
500.
And then what do I do, guys?
Make an arc.
Make an arc. Where they intersect. So that distance from that point to that point is how much?
500.
Very good. 500 mil. Excellent. And this measurement from here to here is how much? 300 mil. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to run that line through there. Straight through. And I can check for square that that is spot on. Make sense?
Yeah.
Huh? Never trust that edge, that's right. Alright, what's the next step, guys? I want to finish it off with a square. That distance is from there to there, 400.
So measure out 300. Oh, over.
Yep, that's correct. So 400. What's this one? 300, well done. Got to go a bit more. Before I rule it, I'll do a check. 500, happy days. Now I'm going to rule these lines along and I can check that for square. And that, my friends, is a rectangle at 90 degrees. Well done, Saxon. Thanks, guys. How do I turn this thing off? That one. Alright, thanks, boys. That's it.